Alrighty. During a walk around of my motorhome the other day, I noticed a cracked marker light lens. So I figured, since my motorhome's 12 years old, why not change out all 16 marker lights for LED ones? My videos are more about what I'm finding out about the things needed for this motorhome, my search for the items, and what I think about the items once I purchase them. With that being said, I bought PARTSAM's LED marker lights for car, truck, and trailers. Each light has 10 LEDs with 2 mounting holes 3 inches apart, which seems to be standard. It also comes with 2 screws to attach them to whatever you're going to attach them to. Since these would be replacement lights already installed on my motorhome, I had to relocate the power leads, and I did reuse the original screws. I also checked all the lights prior to the installation to make sure all the LEDs were working. They all were working and were a whole lot brighter than the original incandescent lights. These lights are not as heavy as the original, and the plastic is not as strong. Only time will tell if they're going to hold up in the sun and weather after years of use. They are also not DOT approved. Checking at the big box stores nearby, theirs weren't either. So I'm really not all that concerned. Although this might have been something I should have looked for. Okay, so after mounting the lights, they look good. They emit a way brighter light. Replacing all the lights made my coach stand out more at night. A great safety feature. So other than not being DOT approved, I'd say this is a good purchase. So again, guys, subscribe to my channel, follow my continuing journey on outfitting my motorhome, and check out the link below for more information on these LED marker lights for car, truck, and trailers.